Joining us now on India Today eMindRock, Sania Malhotra. Sania, welcome to the show first of all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for having me.
Okay, Sania, I have to say I am just floored by your dancing. You are such a fine dancer. I love the JLo track, Love Don't Cost a Thing choreography. So, is dancing your first love? Let's begin with that.
No, actually not. Acting is my first love, and dancing kind of
Okay.
helped me to become an actor, I think. But I think I love acting, and I'm dying to act now in this quarantine. I just can't wait to face a camera.
Okay, what are you working on?
I had a project which was supposed to start, but because of the pandemic situation, we couldn't. So right now, I am doing nothing at all. I sit at home, I cook, I'm eating a lot, and that's what I'm doing. Like I'm spending a lot of time with my family. I'm also making random social media videos of me dancing. As you've seen
Yeah.
those yourself, so that's what I'm doing.
And I also saw those little videos where you are playing a daily soap character. Talk to me about that. I found those those were really interesting, very entertaining.
Thank you so much. So I don't know. I met with an accident. I was in Bombay. I was living alone because of this pandemic. I decided that I won't come to Delhi to my parents, and I was living alone there. Or one fine day, I decided to make some chutney at home at 11 o'clock in the night, and I met with an accident. And after that accident, the whole surgery and thing happened, and I was really sad, and I wanted to like pep myself up, and I made those random videos with one of my ex roommates, Harshita Kalra, and it was so much fun. It was just like a
Hmm.
mindless. We were just entertaining ourselves. That's what we used to do when we like. I was those my made struggling days. I used to make random videos with my roommates like that. So it was really good. And we never thought that people will actually like it till now. Even if I'm posting a picture of myself or my dog or my cat or my mama, people comment on it saying ki Gopi Bahu kahan hai? Where is Mota Bhabi? We want Mota Bhabi because the sad part is ki I don't have any other content. I am out of ideas now.
It's amazing, but the way that you did it, the over-the-top expressions, I love it. Can you do the eyebrow thing? How did you do? How did you come up with that?
This one,
Yeah.
see, I think
Yes.
भाई मैं
Yes.
बता
Yes.
रही हूँ ना, dance has helped me in acting a lot. I think तो मैं कहीं से भी acting कर लेती हूँ, आँखों से,
Okay.
eyebrows से, बाल.
Okay. Great. And but then, what do you make of the TikTok ban? Because these were super TikTok videos.
Right. But now Instagram has come up with this reel feature. Have you seen it? The new Instagram
Hmm.
feature that they've come up with. It's never going to end. We are humans. We develop
Okay.
apps like we're developing cookies every day in this quarantine. So I don't know. But I'm out of ideas. Like I'm bored of those videos. Maybe I'll come up with something else and more entertaining.
Okay. Let's turn back the clock now. Your debut with Dangal. Talk to me about that experience when you got that film. You know, working with obviously one of the greatest of all times, Amir Khan.
Right. Hmm. Uh, Dangal was a very big opportunity for me, for Fatima, for Suhani, Zaira, Apar, Ritvik. Um, मतलब बहुत ही मुश्किल से I think a newcomer like us, somebody who's not from the industry, gets a chance like this. So we gave a long, I think one or a 2 month audition for it. We were exhausted mentally and physically because we were wrestling. We were also
Hmm.
doing that physical training to show that we will be able to pull off this character. And that feeling of being a fraud, maybe one day they'll realize that we don't deserve this character. It was a emotional and a very like physically training film, but at the same time I can't, like I'm really grateful that I got an opportunity like Dangal because it changed my life. And how that one film, a lot of people have seen it, and I think whatever I am today is because of my first film, and I'll always be very very grateful to Nitesh sir, Amir sir, Kiran ma'am, everyone, the entire team. And I still remember, like I'm going through a lot of my old pictures and wrestling videos, एंड देखकर लगता है कि भाई बहुत मेहनत कर ली थी उस कैरेक्टर के लिए, काफी ज्यादा, लाइक 1 year of wrestling and then acting. It was a lot of fun.
Right, and from Amir Khan now to working with Vidya Balan, Shakuntala Devi, how's that experience?
It's amazing. I love Vidya. I'm a huge Vidya Balan fan, and I can't believe it. I've done a movie with her. And I was so nervous on set. Like, I don't even remember saying anything to her. Like, I used to be very, like, nervous around her for no reason. And I've, like, before that movie, whenever I've met her at any party or any event, I used to behave like a fangirl. And I think it was really tough. Like, only in front of the camera, I could, like, feel that she's playing Shakuntala Devi and I'm playing Shakuntala Devi's daughter. That's it. Like, I was really nervous around her. But I'm so happy and excited. The film is looking really good. I'm so happy that I got to work with such a. She's so brilliant. She's not only an amazing actor, she's an amazing human being. She's really funny and she has a very witty sense of humor. She makes everyone laugh. So whenever she used to come on set, the whole set used to be like very happy and chirpy and a nice place to be. So I'm really happy that I got to work with her too.
Awesome, but you know now Shakuntala Devi is headed towards an OTT release. And the theatre one was a myth because we saw these Youth 7 films going to Disney Plus Hotstar. Shakuntala Devi is on OTT. Already Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana's film Gulab Sitab would release on OTT. Where do you stand on this debate?
We are going through a pandemic. And I think as an actor, I'm really grateful that during these like tough and tiring times, we as an actors are able to entertain the audience, and that's what we need. We need movies. We are going and watching movies or series, and that's how we are actually being like. I'm at least I'm able to like not concentrate or maybe divert my mind from whatever is going on. Like we want movies as an audience. I want movies, and I'm really glad that as an actor I'm able to entertain people. Obviously it's very tough. We want to like I want that movie wala experience with friends ke sath movie dekhne wala experience with popcorn and all, but I think health and everything comes first, right? That is more important. We need to fight as a country. We need to fight together, fight this virus together. So that's okay. नहीं हुआ कभी और चले जाएंगे 7-8 महीने में चले जाएंगे कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, and also you're an outsider who basically, you know, gets this dream debut with Dangal.
Right.
Now, in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide, you know, it's just opened a can of worms in the industry. People are debating how outsiders aren't treated fairly in the industry. How has it been with you? Your personal experience, your journey, and what do you think about this outsider, nepotism, insider, this privileged club debate?
You know what? We got a film like Dangal. We were opposite Amir Khan. And that's what I love about his production house, that they audition the outsiders. And even if you're an actor, you're an established actor, there are some production house who they like I gave audition for Pataka, I gave audition for Dangal, I gave audition for so many films after Dangal also. So I think things are changing inside the industry, but the one thing that I want, like I also feel that there should be a change with audience and the media, because if you see the kind of footage or the kind of limelight that an actor's kid get, we don't get it. We have to fight for it, or we have to do 3 or 4 more films, and then people will be like, "Kire, हाँ आप दंगल वाली लड़की थी ना, उसके बाद मैंने 4 फिल्में कर ली हैं," but people might not know that. So the industry is changing. I'm not going to deny that the industry is not changing. Like Fatima and I are a very big example of that. That we have got like, but at the same time, our first film was like a film like Dangal. So as an outsider, there are so many things that you keep in mind. Like in our first film also, there was this feeling of like they might like they might feel that we can't do it, and they might say कि ये फिल्म नहीं, आप कोई और कर लेना, ऐसा कुछ, मतलब फिल्म छीन जाएगी. तो ये सारे stress तो होता ही है. But I think with a film like Dangal, a lot of things change. A lot of my friends have done so many movies, and they're still struggling to get that kind of a limelight or recognition in the industry. Industry में है, मुझे लगता है audience और media में भी होना चाहिए. There should be, अभी आप सिर्फ industry पे focus नहीं कर सकते हैं. like the media has to change. There should be some equality when it comes to covering an outsider or somebody who's in the industry. And at the end of it, I honestly feel कि talent दिखता है और talent बोलता है. If you're not talented, if you can't, you won't be able to sustain in the industry, is what I feel.
Tell me honestly, have you heard any horror stories from outsiders? And for yourself also, did you feel, there's this feeling of not being accepted by this privileged group? Did that happen with you as well?
No, like, but I'm not the right person, I feel, because I started off with a movie like Dangal. Like, it was a film with Amir Khan. I know so many of my friends who have done a movie or two, but they're still struggling. So, I don't know who to blame for it. You can't, as I said, you can't completely blame the directors or the producers, because you can clearly see that there is a change, whether it's with the movies like Dangal or koi bhi matlab newcomers ke saath jo bhi movies aati hain. The thing that needs to change is audience perspective. If the same kind of love agar हमें भी मिलेगा तो चीजें बदलेंगी, या किसी और नए एक्टर को भी मिलेगा. And I feel that it's good that this debate is happening. और मैं बस यही कहूंगी कि people should also recognize these actors who are maybe they don't get a film like Dangal, पर वो कोई movie कर रहे हैं तो उसको भी same recognition और same they should get the same love and recognition that we got through Dangal. मतलब is what I feel कि अगर Dangal नहीं होता तो मैं शायद मेरा journey होता नहीं मेरा career का.
Okay, so what would you say your magic moment was then? Personally, professionally, what would you say Sania Malhotra's one magic moment was?
When I graduated, I was really nervous to tell my parents that I want to become an actor, because I had never told them कि mummy papa मुझे actor बनना है. Because I always used to dance, and they thought that I'll do something in dancing, but I thought mama will be okay with it. But to my surprise, my father was okay with it, and my mother was like, no, don't do it. First do your masters or post graduation, and then do whatever you want to. That was a magic moment when I saw my father, and I was not, at that time I wasn't so close to my father, and when he told me that follow your dreams. If you want to move to Bombay, go ahead, move, follow your dream and become whatever you want to. It was a magic moment for me personally, and professionally it would be that day when we got a call from Amir Khan production house, both Fatih and I, and we were sitting on in AK's office on a sofa, and we didn't know that there are cameras around, and they were filming us, and Amir sir came and Kiran ma'am came, and they were like, congratulations, you're playing Geeta and you're playing Babita. That was a professional, I think, magic moment in my life, which I will never forget. उससे पहले हमने पता नहीं कैमरे पे बहुत सारी बकवास कर ली थी बैटी और मैंने, and we thought that they were going to tell us that you are not selected, so we took a lot of like we slyly took a lot of pictures of his office and our selfies there, so that we can go out and show it to people that हम गए थे office.
Right, I'm going to take one question that's been sent to us from Saad from Golgothia's University. You've worked with two famous method actors, both Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Amir Khan. What were your takeaways after working with them?
With Amir sir, we saw it because we actually were quite lucky to follow the same method for our characters. We did wrestling, we prepared ourselves physically and mentally before stepping in front of the camera. And we saw that it actually shows when you prepare yourself mentally and physically for a character, it shows, and you are able to connect with your character on a different level, on and off camera, and the audience is also able to like convincingly they can like connect to your character that you're playing on screen. So that's what I learned from AK. And with Nawaz, it was a different experience. I was completely awestruck. Whenever I used to be on set, in front of the camera, I used to be Meloni. I never, like with him, he's such that you can't see Nawaz when he steps in his character's shoes. So for me, he was always Rafi whenever I used to be with him on set in front of the camera. I never saw Nawaz, I couldn't like feel his presence, that like he completely like immerses himself in the characters that he's playing. So that was like very shocking, because I remember the shoot got over and I met him, and he had to immediately shoot for Sacred Games, and he was like he didn't change anything physically, like his face or his attire or anything. Nothing was changed, but he was in the gym, and I met him, and I couldn't recognize him. Like I couldn't see Rafi or Nawaz in him. There was something different. He was his character, and he looked very scary. Like not with his look, but with his eyes. So there was something like I don't think so. Abhi main shayad I'll do 15, 20, 50 movies more, and I'll be able to understand his method of acting. It's completely internal. I feel it's very very mesmerizing.
He's brilliant. It's also because of the immense experience and the grind that he went through. Also, you're a big
Right.
Potterhead, and Daniel Radcliffe wished you. I don't know, that must have been an amazing moment for you.
It
Big
was like
Harry Potter fan being wished by Harry Potter himself.
yeah, my friend Junaid, he's studying in London, and it was a great surprise. But to be honest, I'm not a very big Potter fan. Uh, so
Oh,
to
you're
all
not?
the Potter fans out there, I'm really sorry. But I love Daniel Radcliffe. Like I love Harry Potter, but I'm not a Potterhead. You know what I mean? Are you a Potterhead? You might
Yeah, yeah,
not.
yeah.
Like you might be able to understand the difference. You'll be like, "Hi, hi,
I'm
बदतमीज,
not.
इसको क्यों दिया
Not at
था?"
all.
Okay.
No, no, not
Then
at
I
all.
think
Not at all. I
बाकी
get it.
Potterheads might be giving me galis कि इसको क्यों मिला मुझे क्यों नहीं? She doesn't deserve it. But it was a really good surprise. Like really good.
That's awesome. Also, Sanya, who are your favorite actors? Like, you know, somebody who you've always been in awe of, that you learned from growing up. Who were your favorite actors, favorite films?
My favorite actors, Rajkumar Rao, Manoj Bajpayee, Kangna Ranaut, Alia. The list goes on actually. अभी तो मैंने बोलना start किया. And
And any favorite films?
any favorite films? Oh, like I'm
Something that you
um,
watched,
um
maybe saw recently also?
recently I saw Portrait of the Lady on Fire, which was really good, and I saw In the Mood for Love, which was so good, and I couldn't like see anything else apart from that. For like a month, I couldn't watch anything. No series and no movies. I was like still mesmerized by the whole feel and the art and the beauty of that film. So I didn't want to like see something else and then distract myself or take myself out of that universe. So I saw In the Mood for Love, which is an amazing movie.
Okay, and your two movies that we know of at least, Ludo and Puglet. What can you tell us
Huh.
about them?
To be honest, Sushant, I have no idea about Ludo. I like we didn't have a script in hand. We used to go on set
Uh-huh.
and just listen to Basu sir, and Dada jo bolte the we used to do in front of the camera. So I just know whatever I shot, but I have no idea how the movie is going to pan out, and I'm really excited about that because this would be the first time that as an actor I'll be watching my own film. And Puglet was a really amazing experience. This was the first time where, like, after ages, I could feel that I got the character in my body, physically and mentally. I was my character, and which was really fun. Like for good 45, we shot the movie in one go, and I love those kind of schedules where you get to like live some other person's life. So I think halfway through, I had started thinking like my character, behaving like her, and even talking like her.
How have you dealt with the pandemic, the lockdown, now the unlock? How have these last 3-4 months been for you?
It's been a roller coaster ride. Um, a lot of time to think, and then I met with this accident also in Bombay when I was alone. And I was really lucky and fortunate that I got to come back to Delhi to my parents. क्योंकि लग रहा था
How
कि
is
I'll
that,
be
by
able
the
to
way? Sorry
handle
to
it.
cut you, but are you better now? Is your finger better now?
It's healing. It's healing swiftly. हो रहा है मतलब you can see it. थोड़े changes every day, but it's healing swiftly.
Oh,
I'm really
ouch.
happy, and I'm really happy that I got to come back to my parents. Like it's been ages. 5 साल बाद I've been home like this for such a long time. So I'm really relaxed. Though it's been a roller coaster ride for everyone, I think, mentally, and there's so much happening around. So yeah, कर लिया अभी we're surviving.
Tell me, what was your first reaction when you heard the news that Sushant Singh Rajput had committed suicide. As an industry person, somebody like him from an outside world came to Mumbai.
Yeah.
What was your
You
first
know what?
reaction?
I was extremely devastated because my mother broke me. Like I was in the room and I remember my mother came and she was like, this has happened, and I couldn't believe it. Like I didn't want to believe this. And I read some news article, but in my mind I was like, please God, please make it like this can't happen. Like, matlab, please make it like a fake news or something. I was really sad and devastated. He has always been an inspiration for people who are not from the industry. Like I remember I really wanted to work with him. He was a really good dancer, and I remember watching him dance in this song with Kriti, and I was thinking to myself that I wish like I get to work with him someday. And I used to think like अभी आप काम देखते हो किसी एक्टर का तो आपको लगता है ना कि आप इनके साथ ऐसी मूवी करोगे. And I personally really like whenever I used to see him dance on screen, I used to feel like, yeah, I want to do a dance movie with Sushant. Like I want to work with him. And he was an inspiration. He is an inspiration for all of us. And he made it like with his work and the kind of work. I remember watching um, his movie Chichore, and I watched it twice. And the second time
Yeah.
I watched it, and I could see that he looked and he was talking like Nitesh sir. Since we know Nitesh sir so personally, I was shocked when I saw it for the second time. I was shocked to see his performance because he was acting exactly like Nitesh sir. And I remember texting Nitesh sir, and I met him also after. Then I was like, "Sir, I'm shocked with his performance. He was talking exactly like Nitesh sir. I don't know if if you have ever met Nitish Tiwari, but if you see that, I think he was inspired. His character in the movie was inspired majorly by Nitish sir. It's a major loss for us. It's a major loss, and that void I don't think so any other person or or any other actor will be able to fill. And like for the industry, I think we have lost such great personalities. It's a really sad year for all of us. Like I don't think so. It's a loss. Like it feels very personal. Though I never met Sushant, everything we lost Irfan, we lost Rishi sir, we lost Sushant. Those losses feel very personal to all of us. Not only the people from the industry or media, सबको, like even their audience, their fans,
Yeah.
it feels very personal. But I'm glad वो मतलब कहते हैं ना अपने
Definitely.
काम से अमर हो गए हैं. We have their films, and
Yeah.
watching his trailer was very hard. And yeah, I don't know, but like watching his film will be, I think, very hard too as a fan.
Yeah, but what was your like reaction to Dil Bechara? Are you looking forward to it now? Releasing on 24th. His last
Yeah,
film.
isn't it a beautiful trailer? It's such a beautiful trailer. And yeah, obviously I'm going to watch it. I'm not going to miss that film. As a Sushant Singh Rajput fan, I will never miss that film ever.
It's amazing. I mean, how ironic that Chichore was about suicide, and last year he gave us Chichore, completely different film than Sonchiriya earlier in 2019, and now again he had a completely different film. So just shows the range that that man had.
Yeah.
Well,
With his
it's a
with
lot for
his
the industry
TV
as
I
well.
remember I used to watch his TV serials also with Mama. And we had a major crush on Sushant Singh Rajput with that serial. It was such a beautiful serial. And I never watched serials ever. But I remember watching his serial. And then he got Kai Poche. I think there was such a, like, we all were really excited to see this actor make it so big. And his performance in Kai Poche was amazing. Everyone loved it. A TV actor make it so big. Like उसके टाइम पे होता था ना कि ऐसे TV actors को इतना अच्छा break नहीं मिलता, but his talent actually overshadowed everything. He was really good in Kai Poche. And as you were talking about his new film, as a fan, I will never ever miss it.
Tell me honestly, final two questions. Firstly, if it's Sania Malhotra who comes, into the industry as an outsider, but when somebody like an Ananya Pandey, Alia Bhatt, all these girls are written more about, as you said, does that sort of shake you a little bit? That it's a long road for me, it's a longer road for me basically. And the challenge
No,
is
it
very
doesn't.
real, tougher for me than some of the industry kids.
No, it doesn't. Personally, it has never affected me at all. it only inspires me. It only makes me work really hard on my own craft. I've always loved their work and their movies. I've enjoyed. They're really good. They are entertaining us as an audience. Um, and I've always been very secure as an actor like that. There's no competition with anyone or anybody. Like, I am just enjoying my work. I am very grateful that I get movies and I'm getting to perform and entertain audience with my work. So I never feel ऐसा कि I have to work really hard ऐसा कुछ. I get really inspired though.
Okay, do you set goals for yourself? And what is your definition of success?
Um, I used to set goals. I remember I used to make that whole law of attraction list in the starting of the year. This was during Dangal. This was before Dangal when I had moved to Bombay. And I realized it doesn't work for me anymore. Setting goals when I am not able to achieve those goals, it just makes me really sad. So I've stopped doing that. But I would say I'm a very positive person. I believe in enjoying my work. Matlab, no amount of money, car, or property can make you happy. Is what I feel. Matlab, the happiness that you get from your real work, the work that you really love doing, is success for me, and I think I'm quite successful that way.
Right, Sanya, thank you so much for joining us on India Today E Mind Rocks.
I
And
just
please keep
I
dancing.
just sounded like a Guruji.
More videos. Keep entertaining us every day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.